guys a little tour of my field box. I'm an industrial mechanic slash machinist apprentice, and this is what I take to the field. It's my field box here. It's just a normal rigid one. I think when I got them, they were like $230, but it might go up and down in price. But it comes with this shelf here. It's pretty handy. Keep all littler stuff on it, and a lot of people just shove stuff in there, and I like to keep it a little bit more organized. I got two boxes, one on top of each other. This first one's just a normal craftsman box. What I have in it is just a paintbrush in case I need it, home stone, 1/4 inch ratchet, glasses, and my pliers, channel locks, bolt cutters, stuff like that. More random stuff. This is really kind of just the one under it is I think I got that one at Tractor Supply, but I usually don't mess with it. I got my brass punches and gauges and brass wedges, mics. Yeah, gotta keep the top one open, the bottom. First drawer, I got more Allen stuff, reverse Allen, Torx bits, stuff like that. I got more brass wedges and old toothbrush cleaners. Half of what I do is clean. Another mic. My bottom one, I have my screwdrivers with a little sack of. My bottom one, I can't open it all the way right now, but I have a whole bunch of screwdrivers in there. Drill. This little sack has all these little drill sets for that little impact in the drill. Yeah, that's what I have right there. I got my handy dandy set of 1/2 inch sockets. This is a little set of Allen sockets I got on eBay for like $30, and it's pretty good. It goes up to 19 millimeter and 3/4. So it's been a pretty good set. Definitely made its money back. $30. Come in handy quite a bit. Always gotta have your grinder. Gloves. My random trash little shelf. I got my roll of wrenches here. Open that up for you. Nothing special, you know. Harbor Freight, pawn shop stuff. You know, you don't want to spend a lot of money on something that could break. You know, and it's just replaceable. We got some more sockets here. Keep all my ratchets here handy. Allen wrenches. This set right here has got me out of a lot of bind here. Extractor set. Pretty simple to use. You drill the hole, and when your bolt's broken off in the hole, it's easy. Spare hard hat. I usually keep one in the truck, but that's just a spare. The company gives us a pretty good harness here. Just one of those yo-yo harnesses. They're heavy, but I really like them. Right here you got hammers, pry bars, spud wrenches, more wrenches. I got more stuff down there, but more wrenches down there. Got metric and standard, everything pretty much. These right here come in handy. They're chain cloths with a really small. Do a lot of rigging. Got some more stuff down there. This here is a snapper and plier set I got on eBay also. It's coming handy. Yeah, it's pretty good. So of course everything's all over the place. Anyways, that's what I take to the field. Try to keep it organized, but we move around so much it's hard to.